Good evening, I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 25th April 2022 Monday. We discuss the Nifty view for tomorrow and if possible develop a view for the next few days. The view for the Nifty has been that we are in a downtrend, and in a downtrend naturally the larger moves come on the downside. Today the Nifty opened with a large gap down and then went up and down and bounced all throughout the day. But eventually the pressure was on the selling. It was buyers were not able to push the market up. There is significant support in the 16,900 area. Now remember, support doesn't come at a single point. It comes in a zone. So think of that zone around 16,900. So the Nifty did come to 16,900 today. It is possible to say that we came down to that support zone. Now it's anybody's guess whether that support will hold or not. We must understand that as far as possible we should go with the flow of the market. The flow of the market so far seems to be on the downside, or our technical indicators say it's down. The charts do not suggest any significant, even a sudden reversal. That can happen any day because Indian markets are being, like most world markets, Indian markets are also being controlled by the US markets largely. So a lot will depend on how US markets behave over the night when we open tomorrow morning. But understand that the trend is down. So we may have one update, that's a different matter, that could be an intraday trade, but the larger move should still be on the downside unless some things change. Now we'll have a look at the charts and then see the levels of support and the technical indicators and a broader chart picture. This is a chart for the Nifty, the end of day chart for Nifty cash. There are two charts because I apply different indicators and I want to see them separately and clearly and visibly. Let's look at the lower chart. The lower chart, this one. This chart has the trend indicator, a low lag moving average. We can see that the trend indicator continues to fall. It's moving down. The trend in this case is down, and we can also see prices are coming down. Let's look at the chart above, the top chart. Here the oscillator, the RSI modified oscillator was going up and now it's coming down. When it is coming down, it is telling us that the trend is down, and the oscillator is now coming closer to the lower band. So both the technical indicators tell us that according to them the trend is down. Now let's look at what else could be in the picture. This is a strong support area. This is 16,900. This. Look at it from here. How many touches it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And think of this also as a very close touch. So this line has been repeatedly touched since January. This is a significant line, 16,900. If it doesn't hold, I would expect the markets to slip lower. If it holds, then maybe the market is getting ready for some kind of a relief rally. That's the story on the charts. Thank you for watching this video. The theme is that we are in a downtrend. It is remotely possible we may have a relief rally tomorrow. If it comes about, that will happen. We will know about it only in the morning, and take intraday trades if the markets give us a strong message that it is willing to go up. Otherwise, stay on the short side. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe it, and most important, press the bell icon.